Hello, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to the ADP Learning Hub. Today I am going to start my first video lecture on my YouTube channel. I hope you people enjoy learning from my video lecture, and I also hope that this video will be very beneficial for the students from various streams. So let's start. Our first topic of discussion is structure of nephron, and it is the part 1 for the structure of the nephron, as we are going to discuss the structure of the nephron one by one. So this is the structure of the nephron which we are going to discuss, or which we are going to deal in our video lecture. So before proceeding to our lecture, I would like to start our topic from some basics. So for basic, we have to know what or from where the nephron came, what are the function of the nephrons, and which organ carries the nephron, and many more. So let's start. Our answers for the previous questions is kidney. Yes, kidney carries the nephron, and we all know that kidney is the excretory organ, and its main function is the process of excretion. And we all know that excretion involves the removal of the waste from the body. So kidney is a bean-shaped organ which comprises of various parts, that is cortex, renal pelvis, urethra, medulla, renal capsule, and in my upcoming videos we will discuss the proper structure of the kidney. So we all know that kidney is a bean-shaped structure which is present in pair, and its main function is to remove the waste from the body in the form of urine, and it also helps in blood filtration, maintain the fluid balance. It also helps in creating the hormones that produce the RBCs and the hormones which helps or promote the good bone health, and many more. So these are some basic functions of the kidney. So in this structure we have our main topic of discussion, that is the nephron. So this nephron is somewhere present between the cortex and the medulla region of the kidney. So we all know that nephron arises in between the cortex and medulla of the kidney. So this is the structure of the nephron which we are going to discuss in our lecture. So we all know that the nephron is the structural and the functional unit of the kidney, and each kidney comprises of approximately 1 million of nephron in it. So the nephron is broadly categorized under two parts, that is renal corpuscle and renal tubule. So renal corpuscle comprises of glomerulus and the Bowman capsule. They both combined to form the renal capsule. So the renal capsule is also known as Malpighian body. So this is the structure of the renal corpuscle. Here the purple portion representing the glomerulus part, and this glomerulus is the network of capillaries which comprises of approximately 50 capillaries in it, and it arises from afferent arteriole and empties in the efferent arteriole. So the portion which enclosed this glomerulus is the Bowman capsule. So here the duct which is very small in diameter is the efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole carries the filtered blood from these network of capillaries into the renal vein, and through this renal vein the filtered blood enter into the vena cava of heart. and the duct which is more in diameter as compared to the efferent arteriole is the afferent arteriole. So this is the structure of glomerulus. Now we know that the Bowman capsule encloses the glomerulus. So the Bowman capsule is a cup-shaped structure which encloses the glomerulus in it, and these Bowman capsule consist of three layers: outer parietal layer, middle basement layer, and inner visceral layer. So this is the structure of the Bowman capsule, where the outer parietal layer consists of these endothelium squamous cells at their wall, and these squamous cells have pore in it of about 12 nanometer, and these pores are known as fenestration. And after the outer parietal, we have the middle basement membrane. We have the middle basement is selectively permeable in nature, which is selectively permeable in nature, and this means that this membrane allow few or specific material to pass through them. And after membrane we have the inner visceral membrane, which consists of large nucleated cells known as podocytes, and these podocytes has finger-like projection on it and is known as podocytes, and the two podocytes having an area in between them, and these area is known as filtration slit. So from this name we consider, or we can judge, that these slits play an important role somewhere in process of filtration by the kidney. So this is the structure of the Bowman capsule, and end of my today video lecture. I hope you people enjoy each and everything, and I hope in my upcoming lectures you will be getting more and more knowledge. Thank you.